And welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables on your balcony, patio, or other small space in pots or containers. Today's just a quick update on my grapefruit tree. Not 100% sure what kind of grapefruit it is, but what I can say is that it has fruit and lots of it growing. We've counted 10 little marble-sized fruits, and what I can say, they're almost past that stage. Once they get past the size of a marble like this one, they're most likely not going to fall off. They'll make it through to maturity, provided there's no real swings in temperature or anything that causes this tree to really stress out. If we have a nice warm summer, almost all of these will turn into grapefruits, which will be crazy because it's going to weigh down this whole side of my tree. I've got little grapefruits everywhere. There was hundreds of flowers and it ended up with 10 grapefruits because, as you can see, got a little stressed out over the winter time. It's not as full as it could be, but it is happy, which is the key to growing grapefruits. There you go. You can see some other grapefruits under here. I mean, they're growing everywhere. And this, of course, is in Canada, in Toronto. I keep it inside in the winter. Usually the grapefruits make it through the winter. This year was a bit rough. And these grapefruits are about a month old now. It takes 8 to 10 months for them to grow to full maturity. So I expect to be doing my update video where I eat one of these in the winter. But I'll keep you posted. This is a grapefruit tree grown here in Canada. Absolutely fantastic fruit tree to grow. If you're interested in growing in pots, give you a quick tip. Your soil needs to be well draining. So I use a mixture of peat moss and vermiculite as well as perlite, and you need, obviously then, because there's not a lot of nutrients in peat moss, you need to add in some nutrients to keep the plant well fed and happy so that you can get these nice green lustrous leaves. So there's my tip for today. We'll be back with a future video and more tips on how to grow citrus here in Toronto, Canada.